Okay, here we have the 2-DOF Gantray plant. As you can see, it's the exact same as the 2-DOF robotic arm. The only difference is that it has an additional 2-degree of freedom little boom coming down off the end of it. And the purpose of this is to control the arm so that it stops the boom from swinging as soon as possible. So this is a pretty simple controller. It could be much more complicated if we did a full non-linear controller, but in this we're just going to assume that the X and Y arms are decoupled, and that makes it so that we can basically just do the exact same as we did with the robotic arms, where we have two independent closed-loop PV controllers, and that's really what we have here. Okay, so here's the controller. I'll get rid of that and start it up. And this needs to be started with the pendulum in the home position, which is with the arms in kind of two squares, as you can see here. Close enough at least. And the pendulum hanging down and not swinging. So now it's in home position. We hit start, and everything's zeroed. Now, if we look at our pendulum here, I can swing it, and the arms move to bring it back to rest almost immediately. It takes very little, unless you swing it too far, and that's when we run into trouble from the decoupling, because you go too far and they really are coupled. But slow stop again. Yep, now it's broke. So that's because the controller stopped. Which this is what you can see happens if there is no control. You hit it and it just starts swinging forever, as opposed to when we have the controller turned on. And you do it and it stops pretty quick. So that's the 2-DOF Gantray.